Okay, so this is an introduction and an overview of our PHP and MySQL Advanced course. So in order for you to take this course, you should have either taken the PHP and MySQL Fundamental course offered by Village 88 Learning, or you should know enough about PHP and MySQL, probably with at least a few years of experience or at least 1 year of experience, so that you can be taught more advanced topics. But before you take this course, you should have already known you should already know how to create PHP code, how to write MySQL queries effectively, how to set up the MySQL database, and you may not be yet familiar with object-oriented programming, but you should know enough about PHP that you can go and create any applications in PHP that you want and make it work. So this is what you will learn in the course. One of the big things that we focus in this course is object-oriented programming. That is one key thing that distinguishes an amateur programmer from a professional programmer. An amateur programmer doesn't really know how object-oriented programming works, and they just write the program from top to bottom, and it's very inefficient, especially when a project gets bigger and when other developers jump in. If you don't understand object-oriented programming, your program is not going to scale. It's going to be hard for you to get another programmer to jump in and to work on the program. So it's critical that a programmer understands how object-oriented programming works. So you'll be taught class inheritance, polymorphism, how to create functions, and how to secure it, so that you prevent undesirable actions from happening. So this is a bulk of your training, and you will be given several assignments to practice object-oriented programming and to create an actual application, well, actually several working applications using object-oriented programming. Okay, after that is done, we're going to teach you some advanced MySQL topics. We're going to cover MySQL injections and how to prevent someone from hacking into your site. And this is very important. There are lots of sites that do not protect themselves from MySQL injection, and this is one of the very common way that hackers can get into the system. So we teach you how to prevent that from happening. You will also learn a lot about session and how sessions work. And after you learn how to use session, you will be able to do a lot of things. You will know how to create a working login system. You will have a better way of displaying error messages or messages for the user, and it's very powerful. So we'll teach you how to do this properly, and you will have an assignment where you will work on the login system. You're going to build from scratch a login system using a session in PHP. You will also learn how to do some complex MySQL queries, group by, left join, and how to do some of the queries the right way. So some of the MySQL queries can be really long, 1 page long, or several pages long, and there are right ways to do it and the wrong ways to do it. And we're going to point out some of those things so that you will learn how to write MySQL queries effectively. And again, a proper, efficient MySQL query can be 10 to 100 times faster than a query that does the exact same thing but that is written poorly. So we're going to cover that. You're also going to have some practice in building a relationship database from scratch. So we're going to give you some hypothetical scenarios, and it will be your assignment to go and create an entity relationship diagram, or ERD, from scratch. And through the coaching sessions and through the lab, we'll give feedbacks on your design and help you make it so that it's more efficient and so that it scales. Alright, so what you can expect: unlimited access to our course materials. You can take the course whenever you want, wherever you want, and it's up to you whether you want to spend 10 hours a week, 20 hours a week, or 40 hours a week on the course. You will also have unlimited access to the Village 88 Learning Labs, which is offered every Tuesday and Thursday, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. And you will be given up to 4 one-on-one coaching sessions. So estimated time to complete the course, 15 hours or more to watch the online trainings, and assignments is the big part, where you will be spending about 50+ hours working on assignments.